Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. In front of me is a very old La Pavoni that was brought in because it is very old and needed a general tune-up and look at, which we did perform a general tune-up on this machine. It is in working condition, though it looks a little rough. Some say that's character, and I tend to agree with that statement. So why don't we pull a shot? That was the pre-infusion. And here's the draw.
Look at the crumb on that one.
Yeah, draws a very nice shot. Very pretty. And let's test the steam. Definitely working. All right, well, thanks for bringing it in. And also, if you like these videos, please give us a like. And if you do, subscribe to the channel. We'll be making videos like this every day. Thank you.